Kern County has been experiencing steady rain all day Tuesday. I'm Ruby Rivera, your neighborhood reporter. This has left to outdoor activities being postponed, streets being slick and wet, all while city crews work to keep the roadways clear and residents safe. Drivers across Kern County faced slick conditions Tuesday as steady rain moved through the area. Some intersections saw minor flooding, dealing with puddles and runoff collecting along the curbs. The Kern County Public Works website showing 2 streets were closed due to the high water. According to the city, preparations for the storm started Monday night, starting with crews clearing debris from any storm drains and staying on standby for any issues. However, as the city does its best to assist in weather conditions, Jorge Toro with CHP says they've definitely seen an increase in calls.
While I was doing morning traffic, we had anywhere between 8 to 13 active incidents. Not all of those were crashes. Some of them are traffic hazards or solo vehicle spinouts, but very busy morning.
Though none of them were major calls, Toro says it's still an indicator as to how rain can be a main safety concern. To help with potential weather traffic, the city has posted signs in areas like Kratzmeyer Drive to warn drivers about standing water and to remind everyone to avoid driving through water of an unknown depth.
On a rain day like today, you may see that their windshield wipers are going on and then they don't have their headlights on. You got to remain more visible. When you put that together on wet, rainy conditions like we had this morning, it's almost a recipe for disaster.
The city adds for blocked drains, downed trees, and streetlight issues. Residents can call dedicated city numbers, and after-hour emergencies have a separate contact. Even with Tuesday's storm, drought restrictions remain in place. The city reminding the public that watering lawns is prohibited during a storm and 48 hours afterward. For 23 ABC News in downtown Bakersfield, I'm Ruby Rivera, your neighborhood reporter.